I heard you got a Shadowless box.
2 Shadowless boxes.
That means you're gonna give me a good deal, right?
No.
A little bit.
But I do have your packs.
What do you have for me? Box it out for me already.
You can dump them out.
It's the Goated Pulls care package?
Courtesy of loose packs.
How much did I pay for this box?
What's in there?
55 rocket packs, 13 jungle, and 55 fossil packs. Japanese. All guaranteed hollows.
Mystery box.
It's a mystery box.
Mystery box.
Oh.
Mystery box. Prices.
Do you want to feel what a fake poncho box wrapper feels like?
Yes.
Because I actually found the guy that sold it to me. He gave me a refund. Yeah. He just got screwed by a Japanese guy. So I opened this Luigi box on stream, no promos inside. So just didn't have promos. And then I had another one that I got from Master Set. This is the fake wrapper, this is the real wrapper. So analyze the shit out of that so you don't get screwed. I don't know, it's hard to tell though when it's on the box.
It's hard to tell.
Yeah.
This is real, yeah?
That's the real wrapper.
A little softer.
I feel this is a little thicker though.
Yeah, I was about to say.
This feels thicker, this feels thinner and flimsier.
Feel it on the box.
No, this is definitely thinner than Tangier.
So I'm doing you a courtesy so you don't get screwed. I got my money back though, so he's just screwed by Japan.
I don't think I'd be.
Yeah. I'm a little scared to buy these. I don't know what to look for.
You gotta weigh them. That's how you.
Dude, I opened it on stream. I was like, fuck. Because the guy I bought it from, I didn't really know who he was. I had to like track him down from the guys that I know, that I saw him with that day. But he was really cool about it.
Easy deal then.
But yeah, this is stretchier. Okay. Just let's do a little flippy. Where's your coin?
27, 28?
No way. No, I'm not flipping you $1,000 on that.
Just take it. Just take a box.
For free?
Yes.
Okay, flip me.
If he doesn't flip, he rolls dice.
I'll do dice roll. I'm down. I actually beat Corey on that. Wait, let me see. What kind of? Holy shit!
Pass right there.
24?
Holy shit! That means it's not gonna happen again, right? Because it just happened. Okay, let's do. How am I gonna pay you on this?
Give me cash.
I don't have cash.
Why do you not come to these with cash?
26.8. 27. 200.
No, you're gonna give me 27 for that.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
26.
I'm gonna take this back.
Okay, oh no, wait, what did I just say?
You said 26.8, 27.
Yeah, you want 27. I'm saying 26.9. It's the same argument on Instagram. Over $100.
I gave you like $250 discount, I think.
Come
I don't know
on.
why. I forget why I even did that.
He wants 27K. I said 26.9.
No. I wanted like 27, 7.
Well, that was an unreasonable ask, in my opinion.
It was like $7 more per pack on Rocket or something.
Yes.
It's a good price.
26.9. Come on.
No, 26 is good. Don't fight us over $100.
27.
No, I said 26.9.
Yeah, he just said 26.
All right, 26,000 done.
No.
Yes.
27,000.
27.2.
What?
27.2.
What? That's lose-lose.
Why?
You just said you do 27.
That's what we agreed on.
We agreed on 27.
No, I never agreed to it.
Pull up the message.
Oh, you can pull it up. I never said yes to 27.
I don't know, did you?
I did not.
I think you did.
I did not. Not in a single place did I say 27.
27K coin flip with loose packs.
Yes. And you know what that means in my videos, right? That's usually the high number. So if the deal was like 20, 12.
He said we don't even have to flip. I just wanted to be in the long form video.
Boom.
Okay. Well, I wouldn't pay you 27 though.
27K, we can
I would pay you 26.9 if you don't want to flip.
I'll do 26.9, 27.1.
Fuck.
It's $200. We're just dumb.
And how am I gonna pay you?
I don't care.
Dice roll? Or coin flip?
Definitely not a coin flip. Dice roll for sure.
Okay, I'll pay you Monday?
A wire?
Sure. Or PayPal. I'll try to PayPal you right now. I don't care.
You can PayPal me right now.
It's PayPal.
Sure.
Fine. I already have
26.9, 27.1.
60 grand. What's another?
Oh my
30?
God.
Let's go.
See if I can get my PayPal over 100K this weekend. This will put it right at 90. So.
On the table or on the ground? If it falls,
Table, but
if it falls, DQ, re-roll.
all right. Wait. So what are we doing? I'm gonna do
High roll or
number.
high roll or low roll? What do you want?
Okay.
High roll?
Yeah, high roll. Let's do high roll, but only one dice.
You want to roll first?
Sure.
26,900, 27,100. Ready? Wait, what is this? What are we doing here?
I'm. All right. Here we go.
Let's go like this.
Wait, are you rolling both of them and taking them?
Yeah, no. High roll combination.
right.
Sum of the two. High roll. High roll. You got 7 and 6. You got 13.
Yep.
That's a good number.
13 is good.
That's middle of the road, right?
13 is good. Let's go. Let's go.
Team loose packs versus team goated pulls. I got no one on my team.
Goated, we're also cheering for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Goated.
Yeah, everybody wins, right?
Where's Albert?
All just for fun.
I gotta beat 13. I'm fucked. I'm fucked.
6. GG.
Oh man, 27-1. Fuck. How much is this Expedition 3-pack thing with the
2,200.
2,200? It's on weight pick, basically, right? I'll roll you 2K or 22.
All right, fine.
Fuck it?
Yeah.
Fuck.
It's $200.
Oh my god. I hate these. Hold on. Let me see the thing. Let me see the packs first.
Is he rolling dice again?
Yeah, I'm an idiot.
What are you rolling for?
2 or 22.
Expedition 2-pack blister with a gym challenge pack. Dice roll 2,000 or 2,200. Should I roll this time?
Go ahead.
Fuck. Ah. Please.
Big day, man. You and Flockus blowing your dice.
That was great.
Shit.
21.
It was 6. It was 6.
It was.
6 and 12.
Was it 6?
My mind, my side looked like a 9.
It was 6. You looked
my
at
side.
Oh, okay.
The camera.
18.
Okay.
That was an 18. The dot was on the... No, I know. The fuck, that's on the 9.
Oh my god.
Golden fool!
So bad.
5 versus a fucking 18.
So bad.
Hey, that's what you wanted, right?
Man, you got your $100 back.
Okay, I just got here day 2. You want to sell me Mario Luigi? Wait, is the photos okay?
Sequential.
No worries, man. Good to see
Sequential
you.
Mario and Luigi's.
How much?
Market's like
Hold on.
9.2 to 9.
I know what I can get them for.
They're sequential. What do you
I
want?
know,
What do you want
I
to give
know.
me?
Did you just buy them right now?
I just bought them right now.
What'd you pay?
Like 85.
What?
They're sequential. Mario's 5.8.
You paid 85?
85. They're sequential.
This is like 33.
Yeah, sure. Don't even try giving me the comps that are on there, though. Wallahi, those are all fake. They're all fake. You can't even give me a comp.
45,
Look at
5.
The realistic.
I don't agree with the 25.
The thing is, they're up right now. They're up hard right now. So realistically, if you want them, I want 9.
You
Can
did.
you give me 9?
No.
No worries. I want 9. I get like 9.5 for this. Sequential.
This is
You're-
fake.
the
huh?
problem is you're
this
gonna
one fake, you think?
That's 100% fake. It's look. It's literally they're not even showing the cert.
What, 617 reviews?
Dude, you don't think anyone would buy that for 45? You'd buy it right now. Wallah, you'd buy it right now. The only comp is 62.
I'd pay like. Did you actually pay 55? I'd pay like 8.
85.
I'd pay like 8.
Because they're sequential. Because they're sequential.
I paid 8 for a sequential.
Because I sell them for 9 and 9.5 all day. I'm just gonna walk in and sell them real quick.
86.
No, it's too low. That's $100
high.
for me.
That's higher than the last time I paid it. I don't even think I want to pay that.
I have 2 non-sequential pairs.
You sell those for 8?
No, hell no. I bought them for like 7.9. I buy high. I'm like you.
Let me go print.
Okay, yellow. I love you.
9K?
That's
You're printing. Bye. All right, well, day 2 started before day 2 started. Let's switch it up. Let's go this route this time. We went left side yesterday. Let's go right side today. What's up, man?
Fantastic. Hey, I watch all your videos, bro.
Oh, thank you. What's your name?
Absolutely hilarious. I love it. Paolo.
Paulo, nice to
Yeah,
meet you.
very nice to meet you.
Well, I appreciate that you appreciate the sense of humor.
Yeah.
Some people can't take
Do
it.
you mind if I take a picture?
Yeah, sure, man. Why not?
Hey, get in this. This is my brother, Josh. What's up?
Hey, what's up, man? Arvin, nice to meet you.
Bro, we live for the coin tosses. Awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate
Nice to meet you guys.
We look forward to the videos.
Thanks, man. Thank you. Hello. You want to sell me some slabs?
For what?
For money?
For money? For how much money?
You take PayPal?
Yeah, but that's not as fun.
Did you just buy these?
Yeah.
I want a couple of them. Can I tell you what I want?
What? The Snorlax, the...
This.
yeah.
Are these 30 bucks?
Yeah.
I'll take those. Why not?
It's disgusting. But some of them are a little undercomp, so they're pretty good priced.
That's fine. I'll take the Snorlax too.
Of course.
That's all I want from there. Is this yours too, right?
Yeah.
Are you cool with 85?
Depends what it is.
Okay. From here to here. Wait, is that 375 actually? Did it go up?
Maybe. I check them. So.
Umbreon Darkrai, Pikachu, and then from Ray to Glaceon.
Ray to Glaceon's a little tough.
How much? Can I see that Pikachu Zekrom? So in Japanese, this is actually a hit out of the set, Tag Bolt. In English, it's a promo out of the tin. Okay, pass on this card. I thought it was like 250. It went up. What do you want to value this at? These are sales. 6, 550, 4, 5.
Like 525.
Sure. Market 525. Cool with that. 350, 425, 180. I don't believe that 288. That's crazy. That's like $200 card. 250. Come on.
220 then.
Sure. 220. 130. Okay. 140. Sure. That's fine.
He made me do it. It's his fault.
That's fine. 140. What number do you want to be on these? Or market price?
It's got to be closer to like 90%.
Okay, like Moltres, I need.
Moltres.
Moltres. What do you value the Glaceon at? Like 100? 110?
Like 110.
Okay. What's the Moltres? Around 200? It's like 180 to 220.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Zard's around 250 right now, right?
Yeah, I think like 240, 250.
Okay, perfect. What is the Jolteon? I know this is like mid threes. What is this?
This one's on consignment,
Okay.
so can't really fuck
Okay.
with that unless it's close to gold. Jolteon, let me take a look.
Let me
It
check
was
the
like
rate.
around 2. That was like 550.
Remind me your name one more time.
Matt.
Matt?
Yeah, it just went to 95%.
What a cool name, Matt. 250?
I was gonna say we call it 250, probably a truer 260, but whatever.
What do you value this at?
Like 550.
Okay. 550, and then let me just double check this. Moltres 200, cool.
Let's see. I feel like that should be.
I think I'm good on this stack now. Rainbow Charizard VMAX so far. Gold Snorlax. Rainbow Pikachu. Tag Team Babies. Japanese Secret Rares, not promos. Pikachu Zekrom and Umbreon Darkrai. Pikachu from Cosmic Eclipse. 2 Japanese Radiant Charizards. A Celebrations Gold Star Umbreon. Japanese Glaceon Alt-Art. Jolteon V English. A Japanese Moltres. And a Rayquaza VMAX Alt-Art. What's your number, the grand number?
So sticker on the other ones, on this pile was 1270.
Okay, let me.
So total, it'll be easier to just do what you want to do 85% on that first stack and then 90 on the second stack.
Is it because it's consignment or what?
What?
Do you have less room on the other cards?
It's just because I had to buy a little higher on that.
Okay.
All cards and stuff. You know how the market is right now. So it's stupid.
Let me do the math real quick. You said this stack was what?
What? That stack was
It was
55 I had.
For these?
It comes to right around 25.
For combined?
For combined.
Market or pay?
Pay. So 85% on that pile, 90% on that pile.
24.50, 25.50. Or I'll just pay you 25. 25?
Yeah. Right that way.
GG's.
Hedge my bets.
I was like 1 for 9 yesterday.
Well, consider this one a half win.
Hey, you want to sell the Mario Luigi? I'll give you 2,300 for the pair. Is that? You said you rejected 22.
Yeah, and I told the guy literally said to me, I appreciate your time at the end, and I go, look, I don't fucking appreciate your time, man.
Okay, what do you want?
It's not even cash though. I'm gonna get flagged on all of these.
I'll give you 24.
Let me just write this down.
Sure.
Just do 2,500. You make up that difference in some
No.
of these lower end cards, yeah.
No.
Bro, I think there's even a comp of like 45.50 on this one.
What, the Radiant Zards?
Yeah.
Well, you can just take them out if you want. I don't really care.
No, I was just saying that you just balance them out and average them, and then it feels like a better deal.
Let's do the Mario Luigi, 24.
But the Mario Luigi would have fallen into that 90 range.
Well, I'm paying you 25 regardless.
No, I know.
I'm basically paying you 90% on Mario Luigi. I'm valuing him at 27 and I'm paying you 24. 24.30 is 90%.
24.30 is fine.
Yeah, so I'm offering you 89%, 89.5.
Make like fucking.
And that's valuing the Mario at 16 when every comp except for the 18 is like 14 and 15.
What? I really want to see 25.
I'll flip you 23, 25, or I'll just give you 24.
$24.50.
No.
$24.50.
I'm not paying over 90 on that.
Get him if you just say 24, 25 points.
I never do coin flips though.
You have to start it.
You got your photo?
Take your stuff.
You got your photo?
Yes.
You want 49?
Oh, you mean all together? So what was that? That's 25.
With that?
29.50. Or 49.50.
He's killing me on the Mario Luigi.
I literally, this is the first show I put him
2,500 and throw in the Arceus. Done, and I'll send you 5K right now. Arceus is $60. Last sold 65.
So doesn't that put me off worse?
No.
I asked for an extra 50 and you took a free $65 card.
No, I'm giving you 25.
Oh, you give me 25 on
Yes,
top?
I'm telling you, I'll send you 5 grand. It was 2,500 for this.
25, and then I was doing 24.50, then added the.
Yeah.
And that's right at that limit that PayPal's gonna be like, fuck you. It's over 5K.
5 grand with the Mario
You got
Luigi?
any cash?
With the Arceus deal? That's a really good offer. You don't have to do it if you don't want. I'll just send 25 on this. Yeah? All right, sweet. 5 grand, and we got the Mario Luigi, Baby Poncho, plus the Arceus.
What's a silly little Arceus?
5 grand, baby.